and gentlemen. Wednesday, August 31st, 2022. Oh my God, it's the last day of August. Oh no. But you know what that means, ladies and gentlemen? Here comes our boiler heating season. Oh, it's gonna be epic. Yep. Boilers and furnaces and maybe even some heat pumps. Can't wait. It also means that summertime is over, and maybe I'll keep the pool open to Thanksgiving, you know? All right, this morning I am heading to a service call in Woodmere. Brand new construction home. They've been living there for maybe about 3 or 4 months. And he's like, Mikey Pipes, you gotta help me. Get rid of these awful, horrible, and disgusting Nest by Google thermostats. And I'm like, I got you, bro. I got you. I'm gonna put in these epic Honeywell 9000. All right. Before I get into the main part of this video, I'd like to ask that if you enjoy these type of videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe to my channel, Mikey Pipes, Pipe Doctor, Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. All right? Because I'll make more great real-life plumbing and HVAC content just like this. It really helps me to continue building this channel. And if you watched a couple of my videos, you may have not even realized that you haven't even subscribed yet. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. That way, you'll get notifications. You'll stay up to date when I drop new content, which is almost on a daily basis. All right, with all that nonsense out of the way, let's get going. I'm doing a little voiceover because, trust me, how loud this dog was barking, you would probably shatter your eardrum. So I muted the dog barking out. I said, hi, Mike from the Pipe Doctor, rolled up my red carpet, put my shoes on it, and proceeded to get the thermostats done. All right. 2 AAA batteries. All right, I removed the 2 screws from the top and bottom. And since I like to play it a little risky, I don't suggest you do this. I'm going to carefully remove the wires one by one, being careful not to make sure my C wire, that blue wire, doesn't touch anything. It touches anything, you're going to blow the fuse inside the air handling equipment, whether that's the furnace or the air handler, you're going to have a problem. So be very careful. Turn off the switch at the equipment, turn off the breaker, and then verify you have no power there. So I'm going to take off the remaining wires, and then we're going to fix the base plate here. All right, I got all the wires in place. We got the level. Just about tits. Perfect. Very nice. Now, we're going to take the base plate and secure it to the wall. Let me show you the steps we're going to go to set this thing up right now. Okay, after the initial setup process, it's going to ask you for a few things. Thermostat is located in the home. We're going to call this thermostat second floor. And I find that the touch response is not the greatest with the 9000 Honeywell. Not the greatest, but still nonetheless, I do like the thermostat. This thermostat controls cooling and heating. That is correct because we have a Y wire and we also have a W and a G. So the Y is cooling circuit, Y1. The W or W1 is heating circuit. And the G is fan. So cooling and heating, perfect. Forced air system, yes. Oil, gas, correct. High efficiency, next. 1 wire, perfect. 1 wire for the heating stage. And we'll hit done. And it's going to save changes. And then shortly thereafter, it's going to ask if I want to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Self-explanatory. Okay, I'm going to give you guys something special today. I have 2 of these Google Nest thermostats that we're going to give away to 2 lucky subscribers. These literally are 3 months old. There's nothing wrong with them other than Nest, in my opinion, sucks. Sucks balls. All right, so next thing we're going to do is that we're going to go to the Honeywell Total Connect Comfort website, and we're gonna create an account for my customer and then register the devices. And if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button, guys. Really appreciate it. All right, so back to the Honeywell website. You enter in all of your customers' information, name, email address, password, address, all that good stuff. And then they're gonna send that email address an email. You gotta click on that link, because if you don't do that, your account won't be activated. So make sure that your customer or client is available. That way they can access the email. And we don't have to wait like I am right now. But while I'm waiting, I guess I can respond to some emails. Let's see what we have in as far as messages from YouTube. But before we get started, I want to give a special shout out. You know, Edward from Connecticut, we've been chatting a little bit by text, and he's been sending me a few emails back and forth. But Agnes, I want to wish you a happy birthday from me, Mikey Pipes. Thank you so much for you and your family sitting down in the den or at the computer watching my crazy channels. I really appreciate it, Agnes and Edward. Thank you so much for being a great supporter of the channel. People like you really motivate me to keep doing what I'm doing, which I think works. And Ed, hope you have a great day. Agnes, have a blessed day. I know you're not going to see it until the evening, but have a great day. All right, we're gonna do that giveaway for the Nest thermostat, right? I want you guys to pick a number between 1 and 100. No, we'll make this easier because this is a pre-recorded video, right? So I want you guys to pick a number between 1 and 50. Pick a number between 1 and 50, and you can only enter once, right? I have a number in my head right now, and I have two numbers in my head. I have two numbers in my head right now. Yep, they're in my head. The first two individuals who guess correctly are gonna win a Nest thermostat. Now, granted, it's pre-owned, but just want to give you guys something a little bit back, because I hate to just throw these out, throw them in the garbage. And, you know, we're not going to deal with the whole eBay nonsense or whatever, selling them on Craigslist, you know. If you would like a Google Nest thermostat that's practically brand new, email me, mike@mikeypipes.com. A number between 1 and 50, only one entry per person, and don't go crazy. And this expires, this is going to expire by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. So you have to respond by 8 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time, on Thursday, September 1st. Okay? A number between 1 and 50. Go. Mike@mikeypipes.com. And good luck to all the winners out there, the two winners. Good luck, guys. Okay, and gals. All right, I got the account registered. Let's show you. So after you log in and the account has been registered via the link they send you, you're gonna enter in your client's information, hence, you know, name, address, any other email addresses you wanna add. And then you're gonna take out the piece of paper that came with each thermostat, and we're gonna enter in the MAC ID and then the device ID. We're gonna enter that in, I'm not a robot. Hopefully it doesn't ask to select all the pictures with motorcycles or big giant flying. I was gonna say something inappropriate, but I'm gonna keep it PG. And we're gonna hit submit. Okay, we have registration in progress. Now, it's gonna ask us to go to the thermostat and switch the mode to heat and set the heat point to 69, then a return here. So let's go to the thermostat and set it for 69 in heat. Okay, we're gonna go to mode. We're gonna go heat, hit done. We're gonna hit the 69, done. Boom, and then we're gonna return back to the app. We're gonna click on the checkbox that I have changed the thermostat settings and then hit submit. Registration in process. Okay, the thermostat registration was successful, and now you can remotely access your thermostat from the web or mobile device. So we're gonna click on view your thermostat. So there it is, there's the first floor system. Let's put this onto cool. Let's set this for 69. We'll make that a permanent hold. And then we're going to hit submit. Okay, I'm going to do this to the remaining devices that I have. There's three more in total. All right, all of my thermostats are now configured, and they're within the mytotalconnectcomfort.com web app website, and also on the app that's available for both Android and Apple. All right, guys, let me show you the Honeywell Total Connect Comfort app. Here is my own app controlling my own house. There's all the zones. It's really nice. One thing I don't get, like master bedroom there in the red with the triangle, like it's an old device and it's just not easy to remove. They don't make it easy to remove, just like Den there as well. But it's a really nice app. I enjoy it. It's just simple. It's so simple. Let's see. There's one zone. I want to make it 71 degrees on the first floor. Boom. Hit submit. Done. Easy peasy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Informative, educational, how to, take out a Nest thermostat and put in the Honeywell 9000s, how to create an account, how to set it up, and showed you at the end, using the app on my iPhone. It's really great app. I love them. My only complaint with the Honeywell 9000s is the responsiveness of the touchscreen on certain locations of it. Sometimes it's just not very responsive, for lack of better words. And then trying to delete trying to delete a device that I don't need to use anymore, or I'm not using anymore. I just can't find it, and hence you see it's just sitting in my account. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. And congratulations to the 2 winners out there who won both Nest thermostats, all right? I'll notify the winners who picked the 2 numbers that are in my head, which were, and so I don't want you to cheat. You have until 8 o'clock on September 1st, which is tomorrow, to email me, mike@mikeypipes.com. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be well, God bless, stay safe.